Hey guys, I'm here with Brian from Brian's Farming Videos. So, is it your first time at the show then, Brian, or?
No, we've been coming, I think I've been coming every year since I graduated high school.
Nice, nice. So, what's your probably favorite thing here at the show? That ideal combine, probably?
It's pretty high on the list. It's probably between that or Alexa combine.
Yeah.
Both of them. That, I don't know. You get to looking around and say, man, I'd like to try that for a day, I'd like to try that for a day. That's a hard question to answer.
Yeah. So, how did you guys get started on the YouTube thing, though?
Well, it all started about 6-7 months ago. Started off, I was just kind of making a video here and there, and then
it just kind of exploded from there?
Yeah, I'll just take that camera with me, throw it in the combine, we're doing wheat, and then I decided, man, I'm going to get crazy and do a video every day during harvest.
Yeah, might as well, yeah. Where can they find you on social media, though?
I'm on Instagram and Twitter at Brian's Farming Videos, and on Facebook at Brown Farms, and also YouTube.
Yeah, obviously, go subscribe to him. Awesome channel. Thanks, Brian.
Yep, thank you.
say this is a little bit different than the 4430. Wow. I know this is a European model because the fuel tanks are actually built into the rear axle, actually, which I'll show you guys in a minute. Oh wow, yeah, doors open on the right side, foot throttle. Ah, there we go. Imagine that folds up somehow. Storage up there. Lots of plugins over here and auxiliary outlets. Yeah, there's those fuel tanks. Definitely not like the 9402, that's for sure. Leather steering wheel, nice touch. Wow. That's crazy. Nice mirrors. Yep. Quite the tractor. This should be fairly familiar. It's just an S700. Wow, that is a comfy seat. S700 series cab versus the R600 series cab. A little bit different. I think basically the same on the radio and everything, but I think that's what, a 4600 display, and that should be, no, that's, I don't know. I would assume it's a Gen 4. Both of these are Gen 4, I know though, but same insane amount of storage. Looks like you got an iPad mount there. I've never held the handle before actually on these, nor on the sprayers yet. That's actually, it's different when you hold it here, like it just in neutral, but when you put it in either forward or reverse and slide it over like that, that's actually like a different feel for it. And it actually kind of feels, I don't know, feels better in ways. I actually kind of like it almost. I mean, it's a little bit easier way to find the buttons, I guess. I like how they put the auto steer here. That's cool. I don't know, I can't remember if the auto steer button's on ours like that. I don't think the auto steer button's up here on that on ours. I don't know. We've never used it because we always had the ATU, so I'm not used to having, well no, the 9650s never had it because ours was an ATU. We needed an ATU for it, but yeah, so I never really looked on the S series where the ATU button, or the auto steer button is. So you got grain tank mirrors. Our dealer recommended that to us to get the grain tank mirrors. We'll see. I'm guessing what? Is that a speaker for the Bluetooth, I'm guessing? I have no idea. I thought they played through the speakers on the, through the radio, I'm guessing, but I have no idea what that is unless that's, I don't know. I wouldn't have a clue. Heated mirrors, I'm guessing. Powered mirrors, of course. You know, crazy amount of vents and everything. Nice leather steering wheel, obviously. So, yeah, definitely not too different, but yet still different. Oh, I guess there's all the cab features in here. So, also, huge thank you to Discount Hydraulic Hose. Thank you for the media pass. This really helped out a bunch. Next year I figured out how to do the media kit and everything, and I will be getting media passes done, and probably even considering coming on Wednesday even, and doing all that. And really nice being able to get in here way before the show starts and do all the filming and do all the picture taking and everything. So huge thank you to them. I'll link them down below, and go check them out.
guys, I'm here with Hartung Family Farms, Ron here, and why don't you tell me a little bit about your operation then, Ron?
Yeah, so we are so basically Hartung Family Farms is kind of a conglomerate between myself, and my two cousins, Nathan and Curtis. We run basically our social media channel. We're a family farm out of eastern Iowa, near Preston, Iowa. We farm row crop of corn and soybeans, but we also have alfalfa and oats for our cattle operation. We also feed out about 750 fat cattle, as well as we cow calf about 75 cows. So we have kind of a diverse operation in the hills of eastern Iowa.
So is this your first time here at the show?
First 10 minutes at the show. I ran into Keith as soon as I walked in the door, so it was pretty awesome.
Yep, so what are you looking forward to?
I'm looking forward to really seeing that new Case tractor.
Yep.
We're really close to that Case booth, and I'm really looking forward to just meeting the people, so many YouTubers that are, in my opinion, that are famous that, you know, like you kind of feel like you already know them because you've been seeing them for like 20 minutes a day or something like that. So I'm really looking forward to just putting the name to the face and meeting some of these guys like Keith and then Brian from Brian's farming videos, Welkers, How Farms Work, and Big Tractor Power, the whole list.
Where can they find you on social media?
We are on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube, all at Hartung Family Farms.
Make sure to subscribe to them, guys. Thanks, Ron.
Thank you, Keith.
Yep.